The direct cost of ripping Huawei out of European networks is tolerable. Adding less than 1% to the European phone bills is if amortized over 20 years. The cost
is tolerable.
Right. The cost of doing what?
The cost of doing
what?
ripping Huawei out of European network.
Yeah, rip means to
get out of.
Rip means to actually pull, like you rip a cord, you break something, you take it out.
Very rudely, huh?
It's not about rudely, it's more about like it's almost like you have to, your clothes, or you have to rip out. It means like you need to tear away something. This idea. It's not about rude. It's about the.
Tolerable means we can control. We can.
It's not control. I can tolerate, which means I can. I can still live, kind of thing. It's not gonna die or something.
Just adding less.
Your phone bill is gonna go up. Adding less than 1% to the phone bill. So initially it will be a lot, but that's why they amortize over 20 years. So yeah, so you're gonna rise up a lot, but eventually that price will go down. So that's what being amortized means, that you're gonna spread out that cost over 20 years.
Okay, so you add 1% the phone bill to each citizen.
It doesn't say just to Europeans. It doesn't say to each citizen.
Europeans, okay. If what is?
It's amortized over 20 years.
What is amortized?
Spread out over 20 years.
Oh, okay.
You don't count the total cost. You don't count the total cost now. You count the cost
for 20 years.
For 20 years, yeah. Ericsson and Nokia, two Western suppliers, can ramp up production, and new competition may emerge as networks come to depend more on software and open standards. Anyway, two other companies, Ericsson and Nokia, and again they're suppliers, right? The two suppliers can ramp up production, can make more equipment, can produce more equipment.
It can produce more. Production means equipment.
Production means to produce products. Can ramp up more products.
What is ramp up?
Ramp up. Ramp means something. Ramp is like a stair going up. Ramp.
Okay.
Ramp up is a verb. So it can make the production go up.
Okay, and new competition may
emerge.
Come out. As when, right? When networks come to depend more on
software and open standards.
Software and it means Huawei is not more on software and open standard?
It's not open, correct.
Huawei is not open?
I don't know. I don't think it's open standard for sure.